Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the serial number on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the Quick panel. From the Quick panel, tap the Settings cog to open the settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings and tap About. Scroll down the About page until you get to SN. The number below SN is the watch's serial number. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.